So from the last time that I posted that video, upgrading my steering wheel from the old W204 style steering wheel to a more modern 2020 looking one, the response has been quite, nice and warm, and comments, likes, emails. Appreciate you guys. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It helps grow. We're trying to grow a community here. There are not that many people still hooked to this car, but I'm just one of those people that just won't let go because of how reliable the W204 C classes are, and how much you can actually modify them and upgrade them to actually that's my neighbor, to actually get to a point where it still does everything a modern car would do, and it's still cheap. It's a really pretty nice sports car with $4 grand, $5 grand. You can actually pick one of these up and with a few hundreds, do some upgrades to it, and you have yourself a reliable daily driver for less than what a dealer would charge you for a 2020 or 2019 or any newer models. So today, with the box you see here, I'm about to do something more aggressive looking, and so today I'll be installing a rare carbon fiber spoiler. I've seen these on other cars and they look rather aggressive, really cool. I've seen it on the BMWs, the 3 Series and some 5 Series as well. What I currently have, it's nothing fancy, just small. I'm not sure you can see it here. I have just this small, tiny thingy going on there. I just want to put a more aggressive, bigger one, and that's what we have in this box. This is not an unboxing video, but so this is the existing one that I have. Pretty small, nothing fancy. Oh yeah, I'll be making videos on that car real soon. That's mine as well. That's an R107 1988 SL. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more videos on that car, and I will gladly start making those as well. So out of the box, this looks pretty nice. Whoa, that looks really good. That looks really good. Hi, that's my neighbor. So this is it. I want to believe this actually comes with a 3M tape. I hope it does. But I don't see anything here. Oh yeah, it's here. Yeah, it comes with a 3M tape, and it should be straightforward from here. This really looks good, guys. Can't wait to install this. Let's go. So depending on your unique situation, there are a few things you might need. Number one, it's 100% alcohol, rubbing alcohol. You can get that from any store around your area. Carbon fiber, clean cloth, and depending on your situation, a 3M double-sided tape. In my situation, it was provided with the item itself. And if you already have existing, if you have an existing spoiler on your car, you might want to grab one of these. I've had these for years. I actually bought this when one of these stores, I can't remember, was actually going out of business, and I got this for like $5, and I've had this ever since. So you might just want to get yourself a pair of hair dryer or this one. I'm sure this should be like $20 or less than. You just want to plug that to power and just heat up this. You don't want to overheat this. You just want to apply just enough to loosen up the glue, basically, just to get this one out. So basically, flipping these over, just want to get double-sided 3M tape and make sure you you cover all the edges, because you don't want this falling off when you're driving. Make sure all the edges are covered as much as you can. Yeah, basically. And I have myself, I just wanna dice it all off. Okay, alrighty. Just want to make sure I cut this part off. Yep. And I think I'm gonna do 3 layers. And just to be sure I have as much coverage as possible, and bonding it. If that's the thing. Oh well, looks like I won't be having 3 layers. I think this should be fine. Yeah, this should be fine. Yeah, this should hold it. Yeah, this should hold it. Yep. Yeah, this should hold it. Yeah, that should hold it. So just wanna go over this one more time. Just make sure there's no dust or anything crazy in there. And yeah, just try your placement. Just see what you got. I think I want to put some over here. Because I don't think this is actually bonding to anything. So I'll just cut this off of here. Okay, that's a disaster.